Empty shelves await winter's bounty. The round door guards the threshold, hold home. Copper gleams, dust dances in morning's first light. "55 degrees, perfect preservation temperature maintained." Wooden crates await the autumn harvest. Warm light awakens the shadows. Golden honey, liquid sunshine preserved. Beeswax clings, nature's golden seal. Red wax melts, seals shall be set.
Liquid becomes solid, seal takes form. Sweet reward for morning's honest labor.
Almost done now. Woo! There. A perfect pyramid. Sealed and ordered. Preservation complete. Wax and rosemary, the perfume of provision. Hearth heat demands its price. Honest sweat paid.
Sunlight reveals the honey's golden soul.
One for the winter.
Thumb nose quality, seal holds true.
£50 counted, winter sweetness secured. £200, winter's protein secured. Ten links arranged, air shall cure them.
Orange light reveals abundance hanging.
Gallery complete. Winter hunger shall be answered.
£20 of aged cheddar, golden treasure.
Oil feeds rind. Protection deepens.
Sharp cheese perfume, cellar's essence breathes.
Eyes no mold, good from bad distinguished. Amber light crowns cheese, cellar glows. $100 jars, rainbow preserved. Green meets red, rainbow begins.
Purple glows, light reveals sweetness within. Small to large, order emerges.
Rainbow preserved, winter shall feast on color. A colorful winter is a warm winter. Symmetry achieved, order reigns.
Sand arrives, roots shall sleep.
Earth meets sand, roots find rest.
Six inches deep, sleep prevents sprouting.
Sand escapes, temporary chaos.
Blue light descends, work persists.
Sleep well, my roots.
Evening brings detail work, labels shall name plenty.
Flame dances, hair light lives.
Plum Preserve, Winter 2025.
Labels complete. Identity restored.
Light reveals rainbow, colors dance briefly.
Orange conquers blue, shadows yield.
Copper captures flame, one becomes many.
Shadow swells large, walls curve truth.
Still good. Safe for the night.
"55 holds steady, perfection maintained."
It is done.
Center holds. Yellow door frames passage.
Perfectly preserved. Winter's delight is here.
Steam rises. Red jam thick. Feast microscopic. Orange light crowns satisfaction. Cheeks glow warm. Blue night frames peace. Warm inside meets cold without.
Like Mother used to make.
Crumb brushed away, satisfaction complete.
Treasury awaits closure, oak shall seal.
Threshold marks passage. Work yields to rest. Yellow door stands closed. Night excluded. Flames bank low. Embers shall guard through night.
Sage and in use. Safe and sound for the winter frost.
The pantry remains a testament to careful provisioning, its order preserved through the silent passing of the night hours. Moon walks shelves, honey glows brief. Last flame fails, smoke marks passage. Jewels glow darkness, colors defy night. Frost writes on glass, winter announces its arrival. fortress stands complete. Winter shall be welcomed warm.
Empty shelves await winter's bounty. The round door guards the threshold, hold home. Copper gleams, dust dances in morning's first light.
55 degrees, perfect preservation temperature maintained. Wooden crates await the autumn harvest. Warm light awakens the shadows.
Golden honey, liquid sunshine preserved.
Beeswax clings, nature's golden seal.
Red wax melts, seals shall be set.
Liquid becomes solid, seal takes form. Sweet reward for morning's honest labor.
Almost done now. Woo! There. A perfect pyramid. Sealed and ordered. Preservation complete. Wax and rosemary, the perfume of provision.
Hearth heat demands its price. Honest sweat paid.
Sunlight reveals the honey's golden soul.